Explain Jig Boring Machine. Let's discuss about Jig Boring Machine. It is a type of boring machine that provides tool and die makers with a higher degree of positioning precision and accuracy. Jig borers are vertical boring machines which provide higher accuracy and finer surface finish. It is also known as precision boring machine. Machine surfaces rapidly and accurately using cemented carbide and diamond-tipped single-point cutting tool. Devices with stable and adjustable end gauges and indicator sensing units are used on jig boring machines. The machines are installed in insulated areas in which a constant temperature of 20 degrees centigrade is maintained. Jig boring machines are operated by highly skilled workers. Spindle and bearings of this type of machine is constructed with high precision, and the work table permits extra precise movement and control. There are vernier dials and precision swales with optical readout devices, inductive transducers, and optical measuring device. This is how precision and accuracy is obtained in a jig boring machine. Thus, it is a type of boring machine that provides the tool and die makers with a higher degree of positioning precision and accuracy. Related term is